Hi there, in this little video I'll just give you a brief demonstration on our calendar package, the Wiremac 3:1 wire binder with the thumb cut punch. It's a great little package because you can use the binder for producing documents all year round, your normal wire bound documents and manuals, etc. And then you can use it with the thumb cut punch for when you want to produce calendars. The thumb cut punch also comes with the round, you get the punch die for doing round cornering as well. So it's quite useful. This is a 2-in-1, it do the thumb cuts and round cornering. Inside of the machine you get all the bits and pieces for turning it into a round corner. And we also do a little video to alter it between the two. But for now, go back to the machine. Great little machine. It does round holes when we have disengaging pins on all the holes, so you can do oddball sizes. By oddball sizes, what I mean in the calendar situation, we can do the long thin calendars like so. We can also do landscape or portrait or any other size in between, because we have the ability to cut the pins off. Just going back to the holes, as I said before, it is round holes, this machine, which some people prefer. If you would prefer a machine that punches square holes, I can show you here the difference. So we've got the round holes or square holes. If you're looking for a machine to do square holes, then you're looking at one of our packages like the Wren's SRW. If you have a look on our website at chilvers.co.uk, you can see all the calendar packages. Both take the same wire, 3:1 wires, standard wires. You either have square hole or round hole. With that, I'll show you how to use the machine. You just grab a few sheets. Like I said, you can use the cut-off pins if you want to. We have the first lever for punching the holes. This particular machine, you can punch about 15 to 18 sheets at a time. And you can bind, the biggest wire is a number 9, which is about 120 sheets approximately of 80 gram. So we're punching our wire there, and what this machine has is this clever little gadget on the front. Our wire here, in this case I'm just going to use a silver wire. With this package we're giving at the moment 250 wires, 250 calendar hangers. You also get the wire snippers that you'll see what I'm going to use them for in a little bit. And you can have in a choice of black, white or silver. I'm going to use the silver and the silver hanger just for this little demonstration. But this little tool on the front here, we can use it for holding the wire. It's a wire holder. Particularly useful for thicker booklets where you might be doing a 100-page or a 50-page booklet. You can do one punch, hook it on the wire, second punch, hook it on the wire, and it holds it all in position. A couple of other little things that this will do. On the front here, if you have odd wires and you don't know what size it is because it's not in the box any longer, there's a little gadget on the front that you can put the wire in, turn it around to size to check the corresponding size. So that's quite useful. And another little use it has is if you're binding a manual and you don't know what size wire to use, you can just put the document in, or the manual, and it will tell you on the side of the machine what wire you should use. It's a little multi-purpose gadget that's quite useful there. If I just put this wire back on in the holder like so, what we'll do, just before I put the wire on the hanger for doing the calendar, we'll put it into the calendar thumb cut machine. I've set it up here for landscape, but as I said, we can do all sizes. You've got an adjustable side stop. Punch out, and that will cut out those centre 2 holes. So we have our calendar there, nice and simple. Put it on the wire. Easiest way is to put the whole length on. You'll see why in a mo. We'll just put that into the back of the machine, close it up like so. We're then left with the wire the whole length across. that's when the 3 snippers come in handy. They're still in the packaging at the moment, but just to show you, snip out the centre 2 loops. It's far quicker than doing it in 2 halves. And what you can then do, a 57mm hanger that's supplied is designed to be hand inserted. It will go all the way in, bend the calendar back a bit, and it just goes like so. So we end up with our calendar. Ever so easy to do. The hangers, the ones that come in the package are 57mm because they just hook in easy. It's nice and quick. For doing bigger sizes, we also supply larger length calendar hangers on our website. There's 3 different sizes if you're producing bigger hangers. This machine has a little chippings tray, just to see all the little chippings there. So it's nice and easy to use. And as I said, this can be converted into a round corner machine that all comes with the package as well. So it's quite a nice little package. We have manual instruction sheet as well, you know, it all comes with it. If you have any questions about calendar binding, please do contact us at Children's Reprographics.